Good morning, everyone. I just inputted the grades for the quizzes for week 2. Solid effort. If you guys have any questions on the material after the quizzes, please feel free to email me. If you want to take a screenshot of the questions about which you have questions and include that, that would be a great starting point, and I can give you more feedback on your specific questions. This week we are switching over to secondary authority for week 3. Remember, we will not be doing discussion posts. It'll just be the quizzes for the weeks 2 through 8. Secondary sources explain more detail about primary sources. If there is a decision made by a court or a rule being used in a court system or any other kind of law on the books, there's usually some secondary source that delves into that, gives some background information on how we arrived at that rule or those laws and how they are used in practice. These are things like legal dictionaries, legal periodicals, treatises, and encyclopedias. Now, these are not traditional encyclopedias. They are just based on the law. I've included 5 different videos from a university law library that kind of explains how each one of these works a little bit differently. These are great videos for you to listen to while you're doing other things. This won't be the information that is directly on the quiz. Rather, you'll need to be reading the textbook to get direct input towards the quiz, but these will give you a fuller understanding and more of an explanation. If there's one of the sources of secondary law about which you have questions, look at these videos and see if there's one on point with that. And you also have the 2 lectures above. Remember that the first part of this course is the most challenging. Getting through all of this research in 4 weeks is a monumental task that you guys are doing well on by and large this term. We will be switching over to legal writing for the second half of the course. So you've got this week and next week to finish up legal research. Then we will be transitioning to legal writing. If you all have any questions, please email me. We can schedule an in-person visit in my office, or we can do a virtual visit. Or if it's something that I can just answer in a quick email, I try to respond to those as promptly as I can. I'm here to help you guys in any way. Please reach out. Have a great week.